she. If you're ready to switch it up for the summer, then keep on watching. Hey guys, welcome back to another hair review. Thanks to Nadulahair for sponsoring this video. We are gonna get into it, and it's something colorful. It's summer. You will not be hot, okay? Now, I want to show you guys. Of course, you know, you get your wig band, your bag to store your wig. Make sure you're using the bags to store your wig, and your HD cap. And the wig is securely packed in a box. But this is it. So it is a 7x5 bye-bye knots lace wig, and this is 12 inches Brazilian hair. Now, this is how the wig looks. Are you seeing that lace? Amazing. It's already in a side part. I think I'm gonna freelance this wig in a type of way. I already know what I want. I'm definitely gonna kind of layer it down a little bit more, and I am going to do, I might do some finger coils restyling. So I'm super excited for this, and I already have the vibe, so we're gonna get into that. The wig also have a drawstring, so you know it's one wig fit any head size. So this is perfect for everyone, every single one, okay? I love how wide this is. Are you seeing this? Are you sure this is a 7x5? Yes, it is. This is super wide, so we can even do the illusion as if it's a lace front, okay? Now, you can definitely do glueless. I'm going to go in and add some makeup underneath the lace, and then we're going to get started. But before that, if you're new, welcome. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Let's get into it. Yes! Talk to her. What?
Through and through, yeah, I stay by your side. And if they not about you, I'm looking at them sideways. It's your way or the highway, either way. And I keep this energy when they step to me. I'm covered in all angles, 360 degrees. Oh, what could they even do to me? I guess I'll never know.
I'm just gonna brush it out now and leave it to self-dry. I love to do this because it gives the hair a really nice look to it. So what I do is like a shampoo brush. I'll make sure I add enough mousse to it, and I like to stretch it and making sure that the ends are curled up. So that's what we're gonna do. Make sure you brush it all out. It's gonna come back because it's a curly wig. And once you get a good curly wig like this one, then trust me, you don't have to worry. You guys are going to see the before and after. You see the side? Once it's dried down, it's going to be perfect. So I'm going to start with around the back. And I'm going to use the brush just to make sure. Then I'm going to do 2 more sections, which is this side. Add some more to it. We're going to run errands and we're going to let this self-dry, so you guys are going to see the difference. That's what I really like about it. So use a brush, pull it straight through, and then make sure the ends are curly. You see that? That's how you're going to do it. Now for the front, because I want the front to have a fall this way, I'm going to ensure that this part is perfect. And this is your preference. If this is how you want to do it, then you can do it. If it's a middle part you want, you can definitely do a middle part. So take the brush and stretch until the ends are like this, and then you're gonna do like this. Once this is dry, it's gonna look so nice. So what I'm gonna do now is making sure that I scrunch it up everywhere you can. I like to self-dry my wig, so I'm gonna leave it to self-dry because I feel like you get a better look once it is self-dry. Guys, it has been approximately 3 hours later because I was so busy. So I use a pin just to take it out my face. We are gonna open these curls and they are gonna look so very nice. So to break it up, you could use your finger. I am not touching the ends as yet. You can also use a comb. There's still some parts that's wet, but that's okay. So just keep using your hand or a comb. Maybe it's easier for persons to use a comb. Okay guys, this is the final look. I didn't have to do much with cutting down the hair because I realized it was that short. But listen, it feels so good. And as you guys can see, I don't leave a part. So you could do whatever you want. If you want a middle part, I just think this would look so nice. This color is my color, okay? I need all the wigs in this color because it's beautiful. It's summertime. I am not gonna be hot. It's a curly wig. It's vacation ready, work, party. If you want a different look, I really like that. And you know what I like the most about it? Even though I added product, it was not heavy. It is very lightweight, and the hair itself, the type of curl, it holds the curl. You guys saw when that was wet, and look how fluffy it gets. So don't be afraid to style the wig. And you can just wait until it's completely dry, or if you're in a rush, you could dry it with the blow dryer. Just make sure that you pick it out because you want the curls to look real juicy and natural, and that's exactly how this is looking. I really like the two-tone of the lighter shade blonde at the front and the brown in the middle. This is right now my favorite wig. I have somewhere to go this Friday, and I think this is how I want my hair because it is amazing. It is fluffy. The lace, it was not you know what, so let me tell you something. When I added the wig to my head, I did not have to glue, spray, or anything down. I wanted to because I wanted to create the illusion of baby hair. I feel like when I do that, it gives that more natural effect. You don't have to worry about that. This is a simple wear and go. Ready to wear, very easy, very I love it. I love it. And I'm pretty sure it's going to be super affordable because the link is going to be there right in the description. Make sure you always check the link, and you're going to get a coupon. So make sure you click the link to purchase this wig. I know the girls are going to love it because I really like it, and it's giving that summer vibe, change up, you know, brighten your day, work ready. Just imagine you stepping into work like this. They're going to be like, oh. So I really, really like it. But anyway, that's all I have for you in this video. Make sure you check the description, and thanks again to Nadula for sponsoring this video. You did your big one on this, and I love it. Until next time, guys, make sure you like, share, and subscribe, and get this wig. You deserve it, okay?